When you once catch COVID-19, the viruses they replicate and multiplies and also inject adjoining cells to make new copies of the virus. This I have already told you in my previous video. Now with the virus spreading all over your body, how do you develop pneumonia symptoms? And who is most at the risk for developing COVID-19 pneumonia? And also how would a vaccine work? Before I start, let's check it out at what pneumonia is, and then we'll see that how does it develops inside a human body. Pneumonia is an infection of the lungs. Viruses, bacteria and fungi can cause it. Pneumonia can cause the small air sacs in your lungs known as alveoli to fill with fluid. Pneumonia can be a complication of COVID-19, the illness caused by the new coronavirus known as SARS-CoV-2. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the COVID-19 pneumonia. Infection with SARS-CoV-2 begins when your respiratory droplets containing the virus they enter your upper respiratory tract. Now, as the virus multiplies, the infection can progress to your lungs. When this happens, it's possible to develop pneumonia. But how does it actually happen? Typically, the oxygen you breathe into your lungs crosses into your bloodstream inside the alveoli, the small air sacs in your lungs. However, infection with SARS-CoV-2 can damage the alveoli and the surrounding tissues as well. Further, as the immune system fights the virus, inflammation can cause fluid and the dead cells to build up in your lungs. And these factors interfere with the transfer of oxygen, leading to symptoms like coughing and shortness of breath. People with COVID-19 pneumonia can also go on to develop acute respiratory distress syndrome, ARDS, a progressive type of respiratory failure that occurs when the air sacs in your lungs fill up with the fluid, and this can make it hard to breathe. Many people with ARDS need special and mechanical ventilation to help them breathe. So let's see who is at the most risk for developing COVID-19 pneumonia. The increased risk of COVID-19 also depends upon the ages of the individuals. The older adults, people with weakened immune system, and also the people with chronic lung diseases like asthma, diabetes, cancer, heart conditions, liver diseases, chronic kidney diseases, and obesity. All these people are at higher risk for developing serious complications like pneumonia and ARDS due to COVID-19. Is surrounding us? How would a vaccine work? Researchers worldwide are working around the clock to find a vaccine against the SARS-CoV-2, the virus causing the COVID-19 pandemic. Experts and researchers estimate that the fast-tracked vaccine development process could speed a successful candidate to market in approximate record-breaking 12 to 18 months, where it probably takes 2 to 3 years to build a vaccine. Vaccine would trigger the immune system to attack the virus by producing antibodies, where these antibodies would target a specific invader such as SARS-CoV-2. The world is in the midst of pandemic, and continuing to administer vaccines whenever safely possible. Countries are taking innovative steps to prevent a further burden on families and health systems that could be caused by the outbreaks of the vaccine-preventable diseases. It's a long way to go, and all this will take time. But we can probably bring a change by helping people who need us, including the most vulnerable ones. And do not forget to wash your hands at least for 40 seconds. Stay home and stay safe. And also do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.